Make them feel safe.
I think that's number 1.
Make them feel like they fit in.
Number 2.
Give them chances to learn from mistakes.
Number 4.
Provide the correct equipment.
Number 6.
Provide inclusive opportunities that suit their needs.
Number 3.
Make sure kids can have their say.
Number 5, is that? Yep, number 5.
Allow time for unstructured play.
Number 9.
Make sure their effort is praised.
Number 7, I think, yeah.
Develop their physical skills.
Number 8.
Develop their confidence.
Number 10. Well, what can I, rank them as in sorry. When you say rank them, can I swap things? Nope. Wow. Okay, well, yeah, number 10. Their confidence is really an important one. Goodness.